present you the evidence.
A Paco feather!
Oh, yeah, and it's still warm, too. He was here recently, very recently.
Paco! It's Mr. Nguyen's room.
That's not Paco.
I can't believe it. Mr. Ngyuen keeps a parrot in his room? Rat! Ay! Duck! Ah! Oh, no! Now we have 2 birds to find.
Maya, is that you?
It's Mr. Ngyuen. And I just lost his parrot. I'm going to have to tell him everything. Please, Miguel, tell Mama I'm sorry I broke her heart.
Hey, don't give up yet, Maya.
If you wanted to talk, I have time to listen.
Actually, Mr. Ngyuen, I'm the one who would like to talk.
Okay, Miguel. If you want to talk, I'm happy to listen. Let's go into the classroom.
I'd rather talk outside in the fresh air.
Phew, that was close.
We've got to find those parrots. But we're going to need help.
Okay, while Miguel is distracting Mr. Ngyuen, we need to search every nook and cranny, every closet, everything that squawks. Listen carefully for Paco's calls. If you see a parrot, lure it with these sunflower seeds. They won't be able to resist.
Hola! Pretty bird! Hola! Hola!
Hola!
Pretty bird! Crackers!
Paquito! ¿Dónde estás, Paquito lindo? Paco! I brought your favorite! Oh. I'm sorry. I just heard a screech back here. That screech was me singing.
Maggie? Chrissy? Any luck? What's wrong?
Well, we ate all of our sunflower seeds. We were hungry.
I hope Andy's having luck.